Hi everyone, I'm here in Dayton, Ohio at the Digital Technology Center that's part of the University of Dayton Research Institute in partnership with the Ohio University. And we're in a space called the Digital Enterprise Collaboratory, focused on using virtual reality to help digital engineering initiatives. So imagine being able to take models and systems and concepts and bring them into virtual reality and have people collaborate in real time together. It really helps accelerate product development cycles, bring engineering initiatives to life.
Our goal is to advance the AR, VR technology in digital engineering space and push the boundaries of research and teaching and outreach using AR and VR technology. Once you have the CAD files, use some emulation software, drop it into the VIROO platform, and you want to look at it from a three-dimensional perspective, do a design review, then kick it back out again, fix it out in the software again, and then kick it back again. The more you do that back and forth, the quicker you can prototype and move to a whole production. We like to push our research capabilities into the technical domains, try to accelerate the pace of innovation, push some of the products and services that we develop through our research platforms. All the education that we do provides a skilled workforce for companies to hire our graduates and grow, especially in high-tech sectors. The College of Engineering is very interested in promoting high-tech manufacturing.
We're standing in our new VIROO room powered by Virtualware. So this is a space that's intended to enable distributed collaboration with teams here in Dayton, as well as our teams in Athens and beyond. We want to enable people to collaborate in real time in the context of the data that they're discussing. And so we want to connect actual industry problems and projects and opportunities to our students. It's really important for them to do applied work during their time at Ohio University, so when they're looking for a job, they have stories to talk about the work that they've actually done with real clients. We're connecting academia with industry and our federal partner. We're talking about connecting the people, the processes, the data, and the technology together to harmonize those efforts to enable companies to execute more efficiently and more effectively. So we evaluated the technology that was available and with some of the work that we were currently doing in simulating robotics using a tool called Simumatik. For us, it's really important to be able to see the data and the robots in the context. Now we can bring the industrial robots at full scale into the environment in which we intend to implement them, to be able to program them actually offline in the proper context. And so we think that's going to be a great capability for manufacturers in the state of Ohio and beyond. We would use this room for design reviews. We could use this room for training as well. Use cases with virtual inspection and training people so that they can become certified to do specific tasks.
Here we see the software called Simumatik, one of the software that we use right now in our classroom environment to teach our students how to deal with and operate robotic systems. Imagine you're in a working environment where you're running 3 shifts, running 24/7. When do you have a chance to be able to kind of go into the floor and work with the machine and with the equipment? So this will allow you to train people, will allow you to teach people how to use the equipment without having to shut down the factory floor. So, this is a $750,000 piece of equipment, right? That whole line. So obviously not every educational institution will have the ability to purchase a system like that. So students can actually play with machines that are kind of not reachable from a funding point of view in that virtual environment. They can learn about programming the robot, they can learn about programming the PLC, they can then interact with the programs that they create within this environment.